Many dealers shy away from off-make used vehicles because they end up as aged inventory and have to be sold at a loss. One of the reasons for this is a lack of product knowledge about off-make vehicles that dealerships provide. It stands to reason that if we knew as much about our off-make vehicles as we do our own brand vehicles, we'd sell a lot more. That's for sure. To sell more used vehicles, many of our dealers have been producing used vehicle product summary sheets for each new used vehicle acquired. On the screen, you can see a sample of what one looks like. When a new used vehicle was acquired, the used vehicle sales manager would assign that vehicle to a sales consultant, and they'd research all the elements listed on the used vehicle product summary sheet and watch several vehicle walk-around videos and review videos to learn how to sell their assigned vehicle. When the vehicle was ready for display, the assigned sales consultant would go out to the vehicle and learn where the features are and how to use them. He or she would then take the vehicle for a test drive to become acquainted with its drivability. They'd then page all the sales staff to a designated presentation area and present the vehicle to the entire sales team so everyone would know how to sell the vehicle. A sales manager or one of the sales consultants would videotape the presentation and then have someone in the dealership edit it for uploading to the dealership's YouTube channel and then upload it to all the dealership and the sales consultant's social media platforms. The summary sheets are then loaded on a Google Drive or shared document folder for anyone to access and use. The research required to complete each used vehicle product summary sheet took about 45 minutes to an hour until a smart marketing manager from one of our dealer groups had a brilliant suggestion. Why not create a template from the used vehicle product summary sheet just like the one you see on the screen? So all you'd have to do is change the year, make, and model of the vehicle in the template, load it on your favorite AI tool, and within 30 seconds, a complete summary sheet would be produced with links and a listing of the sources used. Wow! This was a game changer that saved tons of time and allowed more sales teams to adopt what was a bit of an onerous task. Some of the common AI tools we see used by sales teams are ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, Microsoft's Copilot, and Google's Gemini, but I'm sure there are others. Email us at info@ymanagement.com and we'll forward you both a sample of the used vehicle product summary sheet and the template. For Y Management, I'm Hector Bassotti.